Hi, it's Eric Heffley at Sanatech. We're at site address 1019 Billard Street in Oregon City, doing a sewer scope through a roof vent. I've got the camera down the flow line. Took a little bit to get past the bend, had to run a bunch of water. So we've got the kitchen sink running right now. We're at flow line. I'm going to turn the counter on, zero it out, and we'll continue with our inspection. Right here's where the kitchen sink ties in. Still in orange cast iron pipe. Okay, here we're at 31 feet, and we're transitioning to 4-inch concrete pipe, which we have some root intrusion. We'll come back and locate this on the way back, paint up the yard. Right here we've got another joint where we're a leaking joint where you actually see the worm on the about 1 o'clock in the screen going into the joint of the pipe. We're going to push all the way out to city main and clean the lens off and see where everything's at. Turn on the garden hose. I'm going to run water down this stack and help push the camera out. Okay, I've got some excessive deterioration of this concrete pipe. Like our joints are leaking with root intrusion, holding debris back. You notice right there you've got a thread of paper stuck on that joint there. Right there we've got another worm coming through the pipe. So we've got a hole in the pipe right there. Once again, here's another joint. Notice we got some toilet paper hung up there due to the excessive deterioration of the pipe. And here we've got a tree growing through it. That's our transition from the cast iron to the concrete pipe. So this line's going to fail due to excessive root intrusion, leaking joints, and deterioration of the concrete line. If you have any questions, you can verify with Sanitech. Call 503-213-4775. I'm going to go out and locate this and then pull back through the cast iron and check the cast iron line. Okay, I've got that located on the, that'd be the northwest side of the house, front yard. Looks like here we got excessive hair buildup at the Y for the toilet. I'm going to recommend that does get jetted out and cleaned out. Okay, right here's where the kitchen line ties in. If you notice, the pipe should be on the, we're going to run some water through that again. That joint comes through, it's pretty much rusted, solid, not allowing proper flow. So we're going to turn the kitchen line back on and let it run, and get a look at this fitting right here as well. Okay, if you notice here on the kitchen line, the line has completely closed up and is not operating correctly. If you notice, there's it should have an open hole. The line should be flowing free. So I'm going to recommend that the interior plumbing at the kitchen line gets replaced, and then also the a little further, we've got a excessive buildup of hair. Right here, you notice that's the connection here at the that's the connection here from the bathtub and the toilet shower to the main line. That joint right there needs to be jetted out and re-inspected to check to make sure that it is still working correctly and is fully functional. Here once again, there's that kitchen line. If you notice it's on the left-hand side of the screen about 9 o'clock. And here's where the laundry sink ties in. Okay, this will conclude my video. If you have any questions, you can give Eric a Santec call, 503-213-4775. Thank you. Have a great day. Site address again is 1019 Billard Street in Oregon City. Thank you. Have a good day.